In 1945, Germany was a landscape of ruins. Its cities were shattered, and its future seemed buried under the weight of total defeat. The economy had completely collapsed, money was worthless, and survival meant bartering cigarettes for basic necessities like bread and coal. But amidst the chaos, a vision for a new Germany was taking shape. One man believed that freedom was the key to recovery. In 1948, Ludwig Erhard took a bold gamble. He introduced the Deutsche Mark and ended price controls overnight. The effect was instantaneous. This was the birth of the Wirtschaftswunder, the economic miracle. Factories roared back to life. With the help of the Marshall Plan, German industry began to rebuild on an unprecedented scale. The strategy was Ordoliberalism, a social market economy that balanced free enterprise with social responsibility. Soon, German products were reaching every corner of the globe, setting a new gold standard for quality and precision. From the ashes of 1945, Germany transformed itself into the leading economic powerhouse of Europe. Today, that legacy of innovation continues with high-tech robotics and world-class engineering, leading the way into the future. A story of resilience, strategy, and triumph. If you enjoyed this look at history, don't forget to comment and subscribe.